How to log into Walgreens Employee Portal. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily log into your Walgreens Employee Portal. First thing you do is open up your web browser and on the search bar, go ahead and search for Walgreens Employee Portal login and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see here, sso.walgreens.com, or you could go to the second website right here as well. It will take you to the same URL, sso.walgreens.com. Now, first thing you do is enter your One ID. So Walgreens security is secured by One ID. Go ahead and enter your ID, then enter your password. And if your credentials are correct, you should be able to sign into your account without any problem. If you forgot your password somehow, tap on the forgot password button. And here you should be able to recover your password. Enter your One ID first, and then you can just go ahead and tap on next. They'll send you a verification code to your email or phone number registered to your account, and that will help you reset your password. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.